I'll be showing you how to edit the pop-up images in your Privy pop-ups. So let's head right over to the Privy dashboard and let's click on one of the pop-ups I have created for this store. So I have a welcome discount pop-up here. I can click on that. And we want to go to create here. And then under design, I'm going to click to edit. So you can see here, I have an image of a product here. And to go and actually edit the image, I can head to the left-hand side. First off, I can customize the image position. I can set this to the top. We can see it's changing in the middle here, the right, or the bottom. And if I don't want an image, I could also select no image. I'm going to leave this as the left element here. But then under image upload, I can go and customize whatever image I want to show. If I click on the trash icon, I can then see there's nothing there. Then I can click on upload image. So I could upload a new photo from my computer. I could select from existing uploads that I've already uploaded into Privy, or I could select a Shopify product. So let's say I want to add just this hot melt glue gun here. Clicking on save, and it's going to import the main product photo. To finalize this, I'm going to go to use this photo here, and that's going to change the product image for my Privy pop-up. Now to note, all images might not fit in here, so you want to make sure you're cropping the image so it looks nice. To save these changes, I can go to save in the top right. I can also click on the mobile preview. We can see it does look better on the mobile device as we have the full image. I can click save to finalize the editing of my image for my Privy pop-ups. These settings are going to apply regardless of the type of pop-up, and overall, Privy makes the process pretty simple. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. It's going to include everything from your ad spend to your cost of goods sold to your transaction fees, so you can get a true understanding of how your store is performing, letting you make smarter business decisions. It includes a ton of different details and analytics, so you can stay on top of your business. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below, so you can get access to the Shopify app listing directly. So this concludes the video here. Is a short and sweet one on how to edit the Privy pop-up images. If this video helped, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.